If you need to transfer files from an old OneDrive to another, this step-by-step guide will show you the safest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're moving to a new Microsoft account, changing work accounts, or just backing up important files, this method helps you get everything over without losing control of your data. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's start with the first part. Open OneDrive in your web browser by going to OneDrive Web. Once the page loads, sign in to your old Microsoft account, the one that currently has the files you want to move. After you're in, go to My Files. This is where all of your stored documents, folders, photos, and other content will be listed. Now take a moment to select the files or folders you want to transfer. You can move a single file, multiple files, or even entire folders depending on what you need. If you're transferring a lot of content, it's a good idea to choose carefully so you don't miss anything important. Once your selection is ready, click Download. At this point, OneDrive will begin saving those files to your computer. Just wait for the download to finish completely before moving on. Depending on the size of your files and your internet speed, this may take a little while. When the download is done, keep the files in an easy-to-find location on your PC, such as your Downloads folder, your desktop, or another folder you created specifically for this transfer. Now that your files are safely stored on your computer, it's time to sign into the new OneDrive account. Go back to OneDrive Web in your browser. If you're still signed into the old account, sign out first so you don't accidentally upload to the wrong place. Then sign in with your new Microsoft account, the one where you want the files to live going forward. Once you're inside the new OneDrive, look for the Upload button, click it, and then choose whether you want to upload files or a folder. If you only downloaded individual items, choose Files. If you saved an entire folder and want to keep the structure together, choose Folder. Next, select the downloaded files from your PC and confirm your choice. After that, OneDrive will start uploading everything into your new account. Again, just wait until the upload is fully complete. If you have a lot of data, don't close the browser early and make sure the connection stays stable. When the upload finishes, your files will now be available in the new OneDrive account, ready to use from any device. A quick tip: if you're moving important business files, school files, or shared folders, double check that everything uploaded correctly before deleting anything from the old account. That way, you avoid losing any critical documents. This method is straightforward, free, and works well for most manual OneDrive transfers. So to recap, you open the old OneDrive, download the files to your computer, sign into the new OneDrive, and upload them there. It's a simple process, but it works reliably when you need to move content between accounts. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.